If the other driver's insurance company calls you, be extremely cautious. You're not required to give them a recorded statement, and I generally advise my clients not to. These insurance adjusters are trained to ask questions that might actually hurt your case. They might ask how you're feeling and try and downplay your injuries because you're trying to be polite, because you haven't seen a doctor yet, and they'll certainly use that against you later. So here's a real example from my practice. A client gets rear-ended, and the day after the accident, when the other driver's insurance adjuster calls, she said that she was doing okay. Well, at the time, she was just trying to be polite. She was worrying about a million other things, like how will I get around without my car? Who's gonna pick up the kids now? And what am I gonna tell my boss? And is he or she gonna be mad at me for having to miss work? But those 3 words, I'm doing okay, were later used against her to argue that she wasn't really that injured and to try and minimize the value of her claim, despite the fact that she had significant diagnostic findings in her MRIs and months of treatment for ongoing pain and discomfort that stemmed from the accident that she was in. So always be careful of what you're saying to the insurance adjuster, and as a general guideline, it's probably best to consult with an attorney before you give any recorded statements to any insurance companies.